YouTube. Today is the 14th of March. We're in a blizzard warning down here. It's pretty bad. Snow's wet and heavy. We had almost 2 inches of rain yesterday. People's basements are flooding in a bad way. It's drifting pretty good for heavy snow. On my way home for lunch. I don't know if I'm going to come back. I think I'd just rather stay home. Look at that ditch is just full of water, almost over the road. It's got snow tires on. I got those eaters, those mudders. See how well they work. Not too bad. Feels as if my camera's a little loose. See if I can't tighten it up. There we go. That's better. Ooh, better watch where I'm going. It is nasty out. I don't have to go far. Snow's blowing over fairly quick. I do have it in 4-wheel drive. We went to Sioux Falls yesterday. It rained the whole time there. Rained all the way there, rained all the way home. We stopped at Dakota Workwear on the edge of 41st Street in Minnesota and Ace Hardware. I like it. We got a lot of Carhartt stuff there. I think I just got some socks. But it was busy. It was packed. People buying sump pumps and shop vacs. You know, everybody's talking about their basements flooding. I got really good drainage on my house. I don't have to worry too much about it. And I re-landscaped around the house and made sure that it was all draining away. So it ain't too bad. But yeah, the dips have gotten really bad. The water washed away the inside of it, so you're going through a pretty good trench. See, they're gripping. They're digging right through. You know, and I this morning when I pulled into work, I put it in 4-wheel drive before I left. Because that co-worker, he couldn't get his car out. It's there. So he ended up taking one of our company vehicles, which is 4-wheel drive. It's got new tires on it. But yeah, we're in a blizzard warning. We had 2 inches of rain yesterday. It's not too bad in town, but you get out there by the elevator, it's windy. Wonder how people are doing up north. Must be pretty bad. Kids are supposed to move out of the house today, and I don't think they're going to. I wouldn't. Nothing's cut through the tracks on the railroad tracks, so nothing's moving there. they're blown over. Wonder if mine are. What a day. Ooh, come on, truck, turn. Wow, that's rough. So there goes a plow. They don't cut nothing here. They just leave their plows up. And to top it all off, the storm drains are all plugged full of snow and ice, and they should have been out cleaning them yesterday. What a day. Oh, there goes the cops. Trucks are running a little fast. A lot of moisture. Well, almost home. Thanks for watching.